guys, thanks for checking in. Thanks for subscribing to Cross Country Garage if you haven't already, which we're going to circle back to that. We have a giveaway. You know, let's do the giveaway in the other video. Yeah, we'll do the giveaway in the other video.
No. You know what? Let's do the...
Well, no, we should do the giveaway with the van, I'm thinking. When we do the van. Yeah, we'll do that. So today, we're going to be doing nice, simple install side pods on a Dune Buggy. Now, we already mocked these up, so we know that they're going to fit. No reason to go crazy. Very simple. All side pods are different. These side pods we got for 50 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. Had to kind of fabricate them a little bit. We had to notch these because this came down at an angle. But we put some V-cuts in it, brought it up with the fiberglass, and it all fits. So, a few things that you're going to need. Some little cap screws. Some alcohol. Hard to get nowadays. Some sort of gasketing material that you're going to run on.
Alcohol? You mean like Coors or Miller?
No. This isn't the Miller light plug. That's coming up. So right. We want some gasketing material. We're going to put it on the back side here. Hopefully not get too much of a gap. And we're going to start. Now most side pods, they all mount from underneath. Because these didn't fit, we have one hole. So let's get started. Kev, you want to come over here?
Yes, sir.
Lift up the back, I'll get the front end.
All right. That's what she said.
We gotta go underneath. And we gotta get this one hole under here to line up first. We need nothing. What?
You have to get the lip under the buggy first.
Is it under? Maybe.
Yeah. Well, not
there we are. It's going up.
Right by your knee, the bolts are, the nuts are.
Yeah, we're not really in yet. These are so tight. Oh. There we are. I'm going to pop one screw in. Just to hold it.
Now for your viewers, it's very important to pre-fit everything prior to painting. Sometimes people get excited and they want to paint their parts first and then install it, but being you got to fiddle around with stuff a lot, good idea to get everything completely pre-fitted, all your screws in, bolts, nuts, washers, and then paint it.
All right, we got our one bolt on the bottom.
I think that's held up pretty good.
So far, yeah. We've never seen this buggy with the side pods on it, not painted at least.
Not painted, but pre-fit, yeah.
There's the hole.
Looks pretty good so far.
I don't know, I haven't seen it. Don't ruin it for me.
Oh, I'm not.
Alright, put that cap on. No, there's not even a real need to put the rest of the screws on, at least for the video. But I want to at least get this one bolt down here on. There we are. Just pop through. Now it's through. Alright, that is not going anywhere. Pop these other couple bolts on.
Oh, we got the local motorcycler coming.
Oh, the gang.
Yep.
That's tight. Cap on.
In case anybody's wondering about the paint on this, this is House of Color Ultra Orange Pearl. This is one of the colors I sold Scott to try, and I think it went pretty well.
Yeah, people seem to like the color. Not that we've had it out anywhere. But
And
that'll change after today.
We had good previews, the people who came and seen it, and looks real good in the sun. It's a little overcast today. No rain in the forecast, but
it is Easter. Let's not forget.
Easter.
And we're on day 93 of Pajama Day.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And here in New Jersey, it's spring break. So show them our camping setup.
Yeah, we'll pan over there in a minute.
Okay.
So these side pods are going on pretty nice, and I'll do a little quick walk around with the buggy, but when Scott's done fiddling back there, I want him to give us a little history on it. He did mention something about spring break. Yep, there's spring break. Moved the camper about 30 feet. Got the fire pit going. Well, it's going at night, but you got the idea. This is the G10 van. We've been uploading some videos, and we have a motorcycle gang kid there. He goes up and down the neighborhood. So Scott, let's do a quick little preview on where did the bug come from, and what evolved here?
Well, the bug came in a trade, actually. I had a 1979 Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am that I built up over the last year. Got it all finished, took it out 2 or 3 times, and just kind of got bored of it. So I found a guy on Marketplace selling a Zombieland Hummer, which we're going to be doing a video on that in about a month. I'll throw a pic up on the video. So I looked on his profile, I saw he had the Hummer, and he had this for sale. Of course, this was pretty ugly at the time. So I made a deal with the guy. I traded my Trans Am, and I got the Hummer, and I got the buggy. Little 1600cc dual port. Seems pretty quick, although we haven't driven it yet.
Well, it's been driven around the streets, yeah, and I heard you ripping around.
But I'm pretty happy with the side pods. I mean, they do finish it off. So
got the seat flipped up for some battery charging going on.
Yeah, it should be a fun little toy. I had a Dune Buggy in the past, loved it. Had to get rid of it, sacrifice it, because I ran out of space in my little 1-car garage. So that's pretty much it. You just want to show them, Kevin.
Yeah, here's the side pod setup.
Here's the finished product if you look over here.
Yep.
That's what it looks like when it's done. We use these little Hillman hinged screw covers. They look pretty good. Underneath, want to hand me the camera?
There we go.
I'll just show them. Most people mount their side pods all under here, but these, you can see they really didn't fit. But I was able to get one in there. So between the 3 screws in the front, the 3 in the back, and the one underneath, I think we're done. And this will pretty much be the end of this project until we pull the transmission out because reverse doesn't work.